Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 17th of November. The euro edged lower on signs the Eurozone debt crisis is spreading to more European countries after another surge in government bond yields. The European Central Bank stepped in the bond market yesterday to buy Italian bonds, and the 10-year bond yield fell briefly but later jumped back above 7%. Attention now shifts to the Spanish and French government bond auctions later today, and the result is highly anticipated as it may signal another surge in bond yields. Mario Monti is now officially Italy's Prime Minister, and a new cabinet is now formed where Monti will also serve as Finance Minister. Versus the greenback, the single currency slipped to a 5-week low versus the dollar at 134.21 from 135.56, but today the pair recovered some of its losses to trade at 135.17. The US dollar edged higher against the basket of currencies yesterday, supported by heightened risk aversion in the market. Economic data from the US also supported the greenback. Industrial production and housing market index both showed better than expected figures, and today initial jobless claims, building permits and housing starts data is expected at 13:30 GMT. The British pound plummeted after the Bank of England released its quarterly inflation report, downgrading the country's growth and inflation forecasts. Economic data also showed unemployment rising higher than expected, raising concerns about the country's weak economy and adding to speculation for additional monetary easing. Bank of England Governor Mervyn King spoke yesterday and warned that the UK may face another credit crunch and raised the prospect of a double-dip recession. Versus the greenback, sterling slid to a 4-week low at 156.91 from 158.15. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices rally yesterday, hitting $102.88 a barrel from $98.40, a rise of 4.6%. Gold rose yesterday to $1,753.37 an ounce from $1,783.60, and silver fell to $33.49 an ounce from $34.60. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 135.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 135.55. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 77.45. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 101.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.65. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 158.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 158.25, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.65. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 100.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.75. The gold pivot point is at 1775 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1775. And the silver pivot point is at 34.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 34.15. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. On the calendar, the market movers are the UK retail sales in October forecast to fall by 0.2%, US building permits in October forecast to rise to 0.603 million, US initial jobless claims forecast to rise to 395,000, and US housing starts in October forecast to fall 2.620 million. Now onto equities. In Europe they were mixed, with the FTSE down 0.15%, the DAX was down 0.33%, and the CAC was up 0.53%. In the US they were negative, with the S&P 500 down 1.66% and the Dow was down 1.58%. In Asia they were mixed at the time of writing. The Nikkei was up 0.19% and the Hang Seng was down 0.41%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.